What's up, everybody? So in today's video, what's the best way to get started as a travel agent when you're new? So if you're a beginner and you're trying to break into the travel industry, listen up. You do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So you are a beginner and you have no experience and you're trying to figure out, okay, what is the best way to get started as a travel agent? Now, this may be you. You may be one of the ones that are the go-to person in the family for putting together vacation packages, cruises, or whatsoever, and you're trying to figure out, how can I monetize something I'm good at, something that I'm passionate about? Well, today I want to share with you a couple tips that can help you get started quickly and what we recommend, okay? So the first thing you need to figure out is, what's the fastest way to become a certified travel agent? Now, we recommend starting with a host travel agency. Now, starting with a host travel agency will be your quickest method for getting started as a travel agent. The reason being because once you enroll and partner with a host agency, you immediately become certified, okay? There's no waiting to become certified. There's no special training you have to take. Once you enroll, you share that certification with the host travel agency. Meaning, if you enroll today and partner with the host travel agency, you can pretty much book travel the same day. You have your own booking website, your own booking engine, as well as everything you need to book travel right away. So that's one of the biggest benefits for starting with a host travel agency, because especially when you're new, you don't have to worry about wasting time trying to put all these resources together, trying to figure out, okay, how can I get all the pieces of the puzzle together? How can I register with suppliers? Which suppliers to register with? You don't have to worry about all that because everything is at your fingertips. Everything is a one-stop shop. So you have everything you need in your back office when you partner with a host travel agency. So you save a ton of time and a ton of money on research and the tools and resources required to book travel successfully. So that's one of the biggest benefits of using a host travel agency. So that's what we recommend. So one of the other things that help you get started quickly is the training that's provided to you all, okay? Even though there's a lot of training to absorb in, guess what? The secret is not trying to do all of it at one time. Specialize in a special niche. Specialize in something that you're passionate about. Okay, you're passionate about travel. Okay, but what types? Okay, they have training for specifically cruising. If you want to be a cruise travel agent and specialize in cruises, do that. If you want to do honeymoons, do that. If you want to do vacation packages, do that. Villas, condos, do that. Specialize in that. And train just in those certain areas until you want to go to branch out into another area of the travel industry. So with a host travel agency, you have the option to do that. You have everything categorized, all the trainings categorized to help you get started quickly. So even if you're new, everything is step by step, so you don't have to waste time trying to figure out what direction to go in. So like when people join our team, we immediately send them a welcome letter, step-by-step welcome letter that ensures they get set up properly and point them in the right direction to go in, so they won't be wasting a lot of time because there's a lot of information to absorb in. However, we put everything step by step to kind of get you going in the right direction. Okay, so if you're new to the travel industry, partner with a host agency. That's what we recommend. Don't try to do all this on your own. Try to start up a whole agency and all that stuff. Start with a host agency and it'll make your life a whole lot simpler. Okay, so hope you found value from this video, guys. So if you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have a comment, please leave a comment below and let us know your feedback on this, okay? So that's my time here. So one more thing, if you or anybody you know are looking to break into the travel industry as a travel agent, I have a free presentation I want to share with you all. Click that link below, watch that free presentation, and learn more how you can bust through the travel industry as a beginner. All right? So I'm Larry Porter signing off. Don't forget to click that link, watch that presentation, and see you on the next one. Happy traveling.